Greetings, wonderful members of the Scholarship Guidebook community. In today's video, I'll guide you about Friedrich Ebert Stiftung Scholarship Germany 2025. The best part about the Schwarzmann Scholarship Program is that it offers 40 scholarships, allows you to apply without an IELTS score, requires no application fee, and doesn't require an acceptance letter. Additionally, each applicant receives a stipend of €850 for personal expenses. So in this video, I'll provide comprehensive information on scholarship summary, overview of the Friedrich Ebert Stiftung Scholarship, including key details and deadlines. Scholarship benefits, description of the financial support and other advantages provided by the scholarship. Courses offered, list of eligible academic fields and programs for scholarship applicants. Eligibility criteria, requirements that applicants must meet to qualify for the scholarship. Documents required, list of necessary documents to be submitted with the scholarship application. How to apply, step-by-step instructions for the application process, including links and guidance. But before we dive into the video, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you find the content informative, a thumbs up would mean the world to me. And, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Your engagement and support are immensely appreciated. Scholarship summary. The Friedrich Ebert Stiftung Scholarship in Germany offers 40 fully funded scholarships for bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. The scholarships, provided by the Friedrich Ebert Foundation, cover tuition fees, accommodation, and other expenses. Applications are open to both international and German students, with a deadline of November 30, 2024. The duration of the degree programs is 4 years for a bachelor's, 2 years for a master's, and 3 to 5 years for a PhD. Scholarship benefits. The Friedrich Ebert Stiftung Scholarship provides a monthly stipend of up to €850, a study allowance of €300, and a health insurance contribution of up to €71 per month. Long-term care insurance offers up to €50 monthly, and students with children receive a family allowance of €276 per month. The scholarship also covers tuition fees, travel expenses, study materials, health insurance, language courses, and internships. Courses offered. The Friedrich Ebert Foundation Scholarship covers a broad range of academic fields, including social sciences, humanities, engineering, natural sciences, economics, law, and medicine. Eligible fields also encompass digital humanities and societies, translation studies, intercultural communication, and specialized programs like the Master of Arts in Women and Society. Other fields include data science and engineering, sustainable environment, computer engineering, health management, logistics and supply chain management, LSCM, sustainable energy, Islam and global affairs, Islamic studies, Islamic art, architecture and urbanism, Islamic finance, applied Islamic ethics, and Islamic finance and economy. Eligibility criteria. Eligibility. Applicants must be German nationals, international students, or individuals with refugee status. Academic performance. Candidates should have strong academic records with good grades in their previous degree programs. Personal qualities. Applicants must demonstrate a commitment to societal development, a strong desire for knowledge, tolerance and openness, teamwork skills, critical thinking abilities, and self-reflection. Language proficiency. For courses conducted in German, sufficient knowledge of the German language is required. For courses conducted in English, a certificate of English proficiency is needed. Research experience. Masters and PhD applicants should have relevant research experience. Documents required. Educational documents. High school diploma, required for applicants applying to bachelor's programs, must be equivalent to 12 years of education. Bachelor's degree transcript, needed for those applying to master's programs, showing all completed coursework and grades. Master's degree transcript, required for PhD applicants, detailing completed coursework and grades from the master's program. Identification. Passport. Mandatory for international students to verify identity and nationality. Professional background. CV. A concise summary of educational background, work experience, skills, and other relevant qualifications. Personal statement. Motivational letter or statement of purpose, a written document explaining the applicant's goals, motivations for applying, and how the scholarship will help achieve their academic and career objectives. References. Recommendation letters, 2 letters from professors, employers, or other relevant individuals who can attest to the applicant's academic abilities, character, and potential. Language proficiency. English proficiency certificate, a document from the last institute attended confirming proficiency in English. IELTS score, required if the previous degree was not in English, demonstrating the applicant's ability to undertake studies in English. How to apply? Step 1. Initial application. Online application. Begin by filling out the online application form, providing your basic professional and family background information. At this stage, no documents are required. Step 2. Document submission. For shortlisted candidates, if you are shortlisted, you will need to submit 2 expert reports from university lecturers, along with detailed information about your education and social or political commitments. For first-year students should submit reports from their former teachers. Submission timeline. You have 3 weeks to upload the required documents. Expert reports can be submitted within 6 weeks after initial consultation. Step 3. Interviews. Interview process. Shortlisted candidates will be invited to participate in 2 interviews, one with a trusted lecturer and another with a member of the selection committee. Step 4. Final selection. Final decision. The selection committee will review all applications and make the final decision on admissions. Further information and application. For more details and to apply, please visit the official website. If you want to apply, please click on Apply. When you click on Apply button, you will see that the web page is in German language, so right-click on it and select Translate. Then you have to select the right option while applying for Bachelor, Master or PhD. Bachelor's, sample application form for basic funding for foreigners. Master's, sample application form for basic funding for foreigners. PhD, sample application form for doctoral funding for foreigners. Select the relevant option, complete the form, and click on the request link. You will receive an email. Open it, find the provided link, and click on it. Then, write a username and password and provide details to complete the first step. That concludes today's content. Please show your support by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and leaving comments with any questions you may have. Thank you, and much love to all. Join our WhatsApp group for latest scholarships without IELTS. Get comprehensive guidelines along with a tutorial video for applying online. Best wishes.